Welcome to QuickBooks Bumps and Benefits, Tips and Tricks. These QuickBooks Online videos will help teach you how to use QuickBooks Online easier and give you some nice tips and tricks along the way. QuickBooks Online has so many benefits, from invoicing customers real easy, through email, through text, and receiving payments, all different ways, whatever way you would like, whether it's credit cards, PayPal, Venmo, checks, cash. Just makes billing and receiving payments much easier. It also hooks in your bank feeds and can pull in all your expense, meaning your checks, your ACH debits, and all those transactions, and also pull in your deposits and help you to reconcile and do your bookkeeping. So you can just worry about your business, about taking care of your customers, and also at the same time it'll be doing your books and helping you out with knowing where you are with charts, reports, and profit and loss statements. The reason I entitle my series Bumps, Benefits, Tips and Tricks, I think tips and tricks is a pretty easy part of this. Went over some of the great benefits of QuickBooks Online, including that you can access it from anywhere. There's a great app right on your phone. You can snap invoices or snap receipts or make invoices on the fly, receive payments on the fly. So again, there's so many benefits, but I always look at the bumps too. Anytime you learn something new, if you're doing it by hand or in QuickBooks Desktop, it's just something new to learn. There's new ways to go in and find out how to do everything. So that's part of why I have this series too, to help you through the bumps, because the benefits will be will be definitely worth it. So hang on, let's enjoy the ride. Let's work on this together, and we'll learn new ways to make QuickBooks, a great resource for you and help you make more money, and it'll help you save taxes and increase profits and be a really benefit to your business while you take care of something you have to do anyway, which is your books, but also give you great numbers and help you receive payments faster and so many different things. That most businesses just want to go out and take care of their customers, do what they do, make what they make, and fix what they fix. Books are important. I'm an accountant, so I love books, but you're just concentrating on your customers, making the money, and doing what you're good at. So that's where QuickBooks can come in and really make bookkeeping fun in a way, because you can see graphs and charts and know how you're doing. And with accountant users online, you can work with an accountant from anywhere and have them help you out with the bookkeeping part and the categories, and just running the behind the scenes part of the QuickBooks, and they're free users on your QuickBooks Online. So enjoy the series, and I look forward to giving you many more tips and tricks and giving you many more tours of the benefits, and also helping you through all the bumps. If you like me, please subscribe. Enjoy the channel, and you'll enjoy the different sample companies I use to show you all the many things you can do with QuickBooks Online. Thank you.